I'll do.
The user functionality is a list of use cases, user journeys, as it were, that fit into one of these six sections on the left-hand side: sustainability, health and well-being, security, services, productivity, and optimization. And so this part of the scorecard essentially lays out a series of outcomes that the user or the stakeholder, I should probably say, really, of that building would want to see. And simply put, the scorecard scores how well the building is delivering against those. So, for example, it might be something like, I, as a user, want to be able to quickly and seamlessly find a free meeting room and book it. And then there are various levels to which you can fulfill that requirement from the user. The better you do it, the more points you get. Then the other slightly less than half in terms of points basis of the scorecard is the technical foundation, because clearly there are some fundamentals that any technologically enabled building needs to have in place. It needs to have, you won't be surprised to hear someone from Wiredscore saying connectivity is hugely important, but of course it's as important in a smart building, perhaps even more so than in a normal, in inverted commas, building. The building management system, the system, the software and hardware that underpin the management of all the different building systems. The integrated network, what the network is in the building and how it integrates correctly. The cybersecurity, we can pause and I can come back to that. I'm sure there'll be questions about that. But clearly, as we, as the industry, put our heads above the parapet and start talking about technologically enabled buildings, about connected buildings, then the hackers out there will realize that there's something to come after. And so it's absolutely critical that the more technologically adept your building is, the more time and effort you spend on cybersecurity.